Good day everyone, I'm Liam from 3A Cluster B, De Losal San Diego Isabel School. Today I will teach you how to recycle old crayons. Here are my old crayons and these are since kindergarten. Remember, it is important for everyone, especially for us kids, to know that our actions impact our earth and environment. These simple, creative DIY solar system recycled crayons are the perfect eco-friendly craft that can reduce waste and inspire our Lasallian community to protect Mother Earth. The things that we will need are old crayons, silicone mold or old muffin pan. Let us start by removing paper wrappers from the crayons and cut them into small pieces. It's kind of hard to remove. Okay. Oh! I look for some orange crayons. So, before we start making the planets and the sun, we're just going to make them in order. So, sun first, then Neptune. So we need orange, red, a little bit of red, and a lot of yellow for the sun. Okay, next, Mercury. Mercury is pure gray, so I'll just put it with gray. Gray. Anyway, it will melt. Okay. Next, Venus. It's the same color as the sun. Set it there. Okay. It's the same color as the sun, but a little bit brighter, darker in some areas. So put a little bit of yellow, some red, a little bit of orange. What is purple? And then more red. Okay. And next is the planet that we live on, Earth. So this is gonna be easy. Okay, so we'll just put blue, lots of blue. Then we're gonna add some green. I put a lot of blue because in the real world, Earth has more oceans than land. Maybe I can remove that. What is this? Olive green. Next is Mars. Mars is red, but not hot. It's actually cold. One fact about Mars. Why is it green? There's no plants on Mars. It's a dead planet. One fact, Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. The next is Jupiter. It's gonna be Mars. We will start with gray. Not a gray. To do the simple method. So Jupiter is the largest planet and has a storm that is the size of the Earth. Earth. So these are the planets and the sun. So now that we're finished with putting the destroyed crayons in the molds, we are now going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We put them in the freezer overnight to let them cool and turn back into crayons instead of molten wax. So, let's see the result. Sun first. There's the sun. So, okay. Mercury. Okay, here's Mercury. Wow. I like that a lot. Next is Venus. heavy planet. It's hard to get out. Oh, it looks just like the sun, but more red. This is Earth, the planet that we live on. There's Earth. It's not realistic because yeah, that's a lot. That's very realistic. Next is Mars. Oh, it looks just like Mars. Also has a good pattern. Next is Jupiter, the last planet I made because there's no more space. Oh, ooh. Okay, there's Jupiter. Wait, yeah, that's okay. So we will make more planets because there are, I think, 3 more. Here are my finished solar system recycled crayons. I also made 8 more recycled crayons because I still had a lot of crayons left. This simple, eco-friendly creative craft is fun for the entire family. You can do this at home, but the microwaving part, when you put the crayons in the microwave, you might burn yourself, so ask a parent to help. Now I will test all the recycled crayons that I made. I made this drawing, but it's not colored, so I will use all the crayons that I made, color it. Liam's recycled crayons. And here are the recycled crayons inside. Bye everyone! I hope you had a good time watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video.